Question number 17. Given a line segment AB joining the points A minus 4,6 and B 8 minus 3, find the ratio in which AB is divided by the y-axis, the coordinates of the point of intersection, and third part, the length of AB. A is equal to minus 4,6 and B is equal to 8, minus 3. That is equal to x1, y1 and x2, y2. The ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis. We find the ratio A is minus 4,6, B is equal to 8, minus 3, and point P, that is 0, y. Ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis, so x is equal to 0, and ratio is m1 ratio m2. By section formula. That is P0, y is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. m1 x1 y1 x2 y2. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and second point is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. P0, y is equal to 8m1 minus 4m2 divided by m1 plus m2, and second point minus 3m1 plus 6m2 minus 3m1 plus 6m2 upon m1 plus m2, that is equal to y, and we find the ratio, which implies 8m1 minus 4m2 upon m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. First point is 0. m1 plus m2 multiply by 0, then right hand side will be 0, which implies 8m1 minus 4m2 is equal to 0, which implies 8m1 is equal to 4m2, and m1 upon m2 is equal to 4 upon 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and we get ratio m1 ratio m2 is equal to 1 ratio 2. First part is 1 ratio 2, and second part is the coordinates of the point of intersection, that is P0, y is equal to, first point is 0 and second point m1 y2 minus 3 into m1 is 1 plus 6 into m2 is 2 divided by 1 plus 2, which implies we get first point is 0 minus 3 plus 6 2s are 12 divided by 3, which implies 0 comma 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, and 9 divides 3, 3 3s are 9. We get the point of intersection is 0 comma 3. Answer. And third part, the length of AB. The length of AB, that is by distance formula. x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square with root, which implies we get x2 is 8 minus minus plus 4 square plus minus 3 minus 6 raised to power 2, which implies 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, and 12 raised to power 2 plus 6 plus 3 is 9 minus 9 raised to power 2. That is equal to 12 12s are 144 plus 9 9s are 81, which implies we get 225. 4 plus 1 is 5, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, that is root 225, which implies 15 raised to power 2 and root 15 square is 225, and we get the length of AB is equal to 15 units. Answer. Given point A is equal to minus 4 comma 6 and B is equal to 8 comma minus 3, that is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. We draw a line AB, and point A is minus 4 comma 6, point B is 8 comma minus 3, and P point is 0 comma y, the ratio in which AB is divided by the y-axis. Then x will be 0, point of x is 0, and using by section formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. First point is equal to 0 and second point is equal to y. First of all, we find the ratio. Put first point is equal to 0, that is 8m1 minus 4m2 upon m1 plus m2 is equal to 0. m1 plus m2 multiply by 0, then right hand side is 0. 8m1 minus 4m2 equal to 0. 4m2 is shifting right side, this will be positive, and m1 divides m2, that is equal to 4 divides 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. m1 ratio m2 is equal to 1 ratio 2. First part hold, and second part is the coordinates of the point of intersection, that is px comma y. First point is x point is 0, 0 comma minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into m1 is 1 plus 6 into m2 is 2 divided by 1 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. 9 divides 3, 3 3s are 9. And we get the point of intersection is equal to 0 comma minus 3. Answer. Third part, length of AB, we are using by distance formula, and x1 comma y1 is minus 4 comma 6, x2 comma y2 is 8 comma minus 3. So by distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square with root, x1, x2 is 8 and x1 is 4. 8 minus minus plus 4 raised to power 2 plus minus 3 minus 6 raised to power 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 square, that is equal to 144. And y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 6 raised to power 2, that is minus 9 raised to power 2. 9 9s are 81. Sum of 144 and 81, that is equal to 225 with root. 225 is equal to 15 square. Root square is cancelled and we get length of AB is equal to 15 units. Answer. Thank you.